India's newest state is gifting itself some new districts, and that has caused land prices in prime markets to run up by almost 25%. The Telangana government has proposed to split its existing 10 districts and thus increase the total number of districts to 24. My colleague Suyesha Sawant joins us now with the names of those proposed districts. Suyesha, tell us.
That's right, the district collectors have submitted detailed reports to the government, and the government is in the process of marking out the new districts. The division will largely be based on size and population. The larger districts will be split up. So for example, Mehboob Nagar, which is the 5th largest district, that will be further split up. Then Ranga Reddy, Karim Nagar, Hyderabad, and the current large districts. Now the division is likely to get finalized by last week of August or the first week of October this year. The district will have its own corporation, and the mandals are in the process of getting finalized of which mandals will come under which district. All this is being done to ease administration. Now we hear from our sources that the names of the new districts, the proposed names, include Mehboob Nagar, Vanaparthi, Nagar Karnool, Nalgonda, Suryapet, Nizamabad, Warangal, Khammam, Adilabad, Bhadrachalam, Jangaon, Acharya Jaishankar district, Karim Nagar, Ranga Reddy, Hyderabad East, Charminar, Golconda, Sikandrabad, Sangareddy. The next meeting for this is happening on the 30th of June. That is the end of this month.
Thank you, Suyesha, for that update. Now to give us a perspective on how this move will impact the real estate market in the state of Telangana, we're now being joined by Vasudevan Iyer of Knight Frank. Mr. Iyer, thank you so much for being with us here on the Property News. Firstly, tell us, will this move help the market, the real estate market in Telangana in a positive way?
One of the major reasons where the government is actually evaluating splitting the entire state from just about 10 districts to about 24 is majorly for their administrative convenience, and it's going to lead to a lot more convenience for people who are looking at approvals. They'll actually start coming in a lot more sooner, and things will actually improve with this kind of a change, with further kind of reducing the 10 districts into 24. So it's a positive move from administrative angle for the government as well as for the people who are going to be interacting with the government officials.
Mr. Iyer, also tell us, how will this impact the pricing situation on the whole, both for land and in terms of rentals as well?
The land prices have already started showing an upward trend in the districts where the additional 14 districts where they feel that they would be in the top 24 list. So the land prices have already started going up anywhere between about 30% to about 80-85% in many of these places. And with regards to the rental will also go up anywhere between about 15 to about 20% based on the relevance of that particular location in each of these districts. In case there is going to be the government quarters as well as other infrastructure regarding the government, etc., is going to come up in one particular location, then the residential options around that areas will definitely see an upward trend in the rental.
All right, Mr. Iyer, one last thing before we let you go. Tell us, after the new districts are announced, in how much time can one see the change on the ground?
Right now, typically like how the Telangana and Andhra split was actually discussed for some time, and the pricing in Andhra and areas which were pretty close to the capital city had started seeing an upward trend even before the split happened. In the same way, all the districts where they are sure that they would be a part of the 14, the trend has already started. So there is a lot of people who are sure that they would come into the top 14, and the upward trend has already started in all these 14 places. And the entire decision and the entire implementation is likely to happen around the end of this year. So post that, there is going to be a lot more appreciation in land pricing in all these areas.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.